If you are an AMC service provider, please make sure that your ledger type is set as business in your ledger profile. Customer satisfaction is the most important element of the AMC service provider's business. You can service more customers and more efficiently if you better manage and organize the AMCs and the promise you made to the customers. You can relax and scale your AMC business with this Bookoos feature. It will enable you to proactively reach out to your customer, which is fundamental to any service intensive business. Let's add a new AMC for a new customer. Tap on the New AMC button. Only three fields are mandatory for creating the AMC: customer name, AMC amount, AMC period. But you can also set the other relevant information like AMC item details, comprehensive AMC, exclusions, number of routine visits, general remarks in text as well as in recorded voice, payment details, etc. Once the AMC is created, the accounting entries for the received amount or receivables are created automatically in the customer ledger. For example, Dinesh has taken an AMC of 15,000 for 1 year. He gave 9,000 and promised to give another 6,000 in few days. Dinesh party ledger will look like this. Since the AMC is created, then you can send payment reminders through SMS, WhatsApp, email, etc. to the customers and also set payment received either from here or from party ledger. Let's say Dinesh paid 6,000 through online bank transfer on promised date. All the payments received from a customer are shown in the sale register and in the quick view. Your business is on your fingertips now. From schedule inspection, you can assign your service engineer for an on-site AMC visit who will work on the respective AMC. You can set purpose of visit, visit date and time, service engineer, remarks, etc. If the customer called on to complain, then you can log that also. After the visit is scheduled, then it will be shown under Task tab with the unique service ID. From the Task section, you can share the visit details to both customer and the service engineer on WhatsApp or SMS. The technician is also sent a link to visit report web form which he can fill and submit when the visit is completed for the scheduled inspection of the AMC. The visit inspection form can be seen anytime for that AMC. Now the visit is done, then you can fill the after visit section in scheduled visit menu and specify the follow-up date, visit status, any payment received, etc. And this task can be marked as completed accordingly. AMCs which are expired are highlighted and you can send the reminders to your client for the AMC renewals. After a customer agrees, you can renew the AMC very quickly without re-entering his information, but just by changing the relevant info like AMC price, etc. And a new AMC record is created effortlessly. You can view the inspection report filled by service engineer for the entire duration period as you wish for each AMC assigned. You can also create the new visit without creating any new AMC and can assign the service engineer. This feature will handle all your ad hoc requests which comes on daily basis where customer has not taken any AMC from you. If you are a AMC taker, that is customer, then Bookoos AMC service changes itself for you. For this, your ledger type should be personal. You can manage all your AMCs at one place without the headache of missing last dates, renewals, etc. with a proper expense keeping. The payment made will be added to your expense. Also, a ledger for the AMC service provider is created with the payment made to him added in his ledger. Best wishes from Bookoo team for your growing business. Thank you.